Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create perspective text on Canva. So go to canva.com and log into your account. On the dashboard, click on create or just choose presentation right here so we can start a blank presentation project. Once your canvas is ready, click on the text tab, then click on add text box. Type in the word you want. For example, it can be any word like. Then choose a bold font style. I recommend using something like Anton. Here we go. So the effect looks more noticeable. Increase the font size. There we go. Reposition it until it fills a good portion of the canvas. Next thing we need to do is turn this text into an image. So click on Share, Download, and choose PNG with a transparent background. Wait for the file to be saved on your computer. Now go back to your canvas design, click on Element, and search for a background image that matches your text. For example, the photo of the world. Go to Photos, and let's use this one. Let's set it as the background. Resize this until it fills the entire canvas. There we go. To create the perspective effect, go to the apps in Canva. Search for the transform image. Open the app. Then click on choose file. Upload the text file image we downloaded earlier. Okay, so once the image loads inside transform image app, adjust the corners to change the perspective angle, like this. Go. When you're happy with how it looks, click on Add to Design. You now have a perspective text on your canvas. You can resize and reposition the perspective text and place it anywhere on your canvas. If you want a different color, you can just go back, add another text box, replace the word or use the same word and change the color. After which, download it again as a PNG with the transparent background. Then use the transform image app again. Basically, repeat the whole process. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.